All right, now let's talk a little bit more about application pinning and the start menu. So when you open up your start menu, you have this entire live tile area, which is heavily customizable. So not only can you go ahead and select an application and then pin it to the start right there. So let me go ahead and do that. So not only do you have that option, but a lot of these tiles have the option to show you live information. So I'll go ahead and remove this real quick. So for instance, with this Twitter application, Tweetium, I can turn off the live tile. So if I'd rather just see the icon, I have that option. With the weather tile here, it can show me the current weather if I would like that to happen. If I don't want to see that though, I can of course go to the more and then turn that live tile off. Now you also have the option to rate and review from here. This is something that is new. This is actually on a preview build, but by the time this course is out, you may or may not see that depending on where you're taking the course. And then you have the option to share this application with someone else. So if you want to tell them about the application, you have that option there. So of course, then you can resize your live tiles. So I can make this small. That's what small looks like. Medium is the square. Wide is the wider option, of course, and then large is this option right here where the calendar is right now. So you not only have the option to resize, to pin, and then to choose to show live information or not. In addition to that, you can also resize the start menu. So right now, this is how I like it because I can open it up and see all the applications that I use frequently. But in addition, you can go ahead and resize it, making it taller or shorter. And then you can make it a bit wider. This is as wide as that goes, but you can make it narrower as well. Now, in addition to that, if you go into the settings here, personalization, and then start, you can go ahead and use the start menu full screen. And what that does is it kind of simulates the tablet experience. So let me go ahead and close settings and we'll try that again. So now it's opening up full screen. So it's up to you how you like to use the start menu, what size you want it to be, obviously. Just some information here about the full size start screen experience. If you go ahead into this, if you click this, this is the menu, and that shows you your most used apps and then some, of course, some other shortcuts. Clicking on this here will show you the full list of your applications, and then also a swipe with your finger. So you swipe with your finger up on any area here, and that is going to also show you all of those apps. And then you can also jump straight to the all apps by clicking this button here. And then this, of course, is your power settings. Now let's also talk just for a moment again here about pinning applications to your taskbar. So that is something that you can do from virtually anywhere in the OS, but also from the start menu. So if you just right click on any program or application and then go to more, then you can say pin to taskbar. And that will put that icon there, and it will be there persistently at all times. And then, of course, if you want to remove an application from the taskbar, just right-click on it again and say unpin this program from taskbar.